The 2017 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort while towing your camper or boat. It offers more interior room and towing capability than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, keyless entry, power lift gate, backup camera. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.